This video will show you how to replace your rear foam pad. Step 1. Put MonkeyFeet or MonkeyFeet Pro on a flat surface. Step 2. Locate the lower foam pad retainer tab on the back of the inner boot. Step 3. Gently pull the lower retainer tab straight out until it fully releases. Step 4. Repeat the same step for the top foam pad retainer tab. Step 5. Slide the rear foam pad away from the inner boot and fully remove it. Step 6. Slide the new rear foam pad into position, making sure it sits flush and centered. Please note, both upper and lower retainer tabs must follow this orientation with the longer edge facing upwards. Step 7. Reinsert top foam pad retainer. Guide the retainer tabs into their slots. Pull the tabs through from the other side if needed to help seat them correctly. Step 8. Confirm the retainer tabs are fully pulled through. You should see all edges of the tabs visible on the back side of the inner boot. Step 9. Repeat steps 7 and 8 for the lower foam pad retainer. Once installed, the back of the inner boot should look like this. Step 10. You're all set. The rear foam pad is installed.